Alright guys, look at what we got going on here today. We got in a package. It's going to be a kind of an unbox quick video. Let me put this up here a little more. See if you can see a little better there. That might work. Okay, so you know I've been restoring this Terra Scorcher. And it's got, this is an original. It doesn't have much use. The plastics are turning out great. There are a piece or two that I was missing. So I was on eBay and I saw this car come up. At least I hope that's what this is. And what I had with it is for this. Now, I'm sure you guys, I'm not sure you remember, guys that are watching my videos know that my plan is to sell this in the end. It's too nice to, I mean, it's got a lot of oil on it, but it's clean upable. And there's very few, you know, there's almost no scuffs on there at all. I don't even think yeah, there's a couple right there, but that's about it. One there, one right there. There ain't much. It's got all the original electronics in their beautiful shape. I mean, everything is in beautiful shape on this car. So, knowing I needed a couple things, I saw this lot come up and I kind of was drawn to it. I'll open these two in a second, but the main reason for this is it came with a brand new REIT Terra Scorcher body and stickers. So along with the original body that you get when I sell it, it'll have the aftermarket one too. So, but this is the second half of it. So this will be going with that. When it's all done, I'm not going to paint it. I'll leave it. I'll send it with whoever buys it. And then you'll have the original all cleaned up. And we're pretty far along. I've been letting them soak. I really want to. So my theory on, I use an oil base. I use the same mindset as you do with woods or metals when you're working with them. You know, like when you're smelting, there's a reason the oil is used. There's a reason the hardening is removal of moisture. So what I'm using with the WD-40, it's a light oil, and it will replenish and soak into the plastics without hurting them or deteriorating them. And that will fill all the holes, making it flexible so that they don't break. Removes a lot of the brittleness. This is stuff I've dealt with dye sublimation and dealing with phase changes in materials when you're doing printing. It's my old world. Anyways, neither here nor there. So I use the same principles with everything, whether it's working with metals, working with plastics, working with woods. In the end, it's like when you're working with woods, you get it wet, you can bend it. When it's dry, it's hard as a rock. That's what making steel wood is. You remove the moisture, but more moisture you remove, more brittle it becomes. So there's a balance there. Anyways, squirrel. I don't know what this is, so hopefully you guys are gonna dig this because I'm pretty excited about it as a whole. What I got was somebody had started a conversion of a Terra Scorcher or a Thundershot. So this is a vintage Thundershot. Comes with the manual and whatnot. But it looks like they tried to convert it. So this is the body that's going to be going in. Now, you know me, I like runners. So what this will allow me to do is I'm making a runner. They packed it real nice. They did a good job. So I'm making this into a runner. It's definitely more beat up, but I'm going to look at any parts that look like they might be worth, like, because I think these shock ends look better. I'll go through them all, and I'll take the best parts. They're going to go on the one I sell, because I have a feeling that's. So it's not just this. Wait till you see the rest of it. So we got this body. So I'm getting to keep one. Which is good, but you know me, I want to run it. I want something for the track. So we're going to turn this in. I don't know if I'm going to turn it back to the, you know, a Thundershot. I don't know what I'm going to do. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to have fun with it. We're going to make this into a pretty cool runner. But it gives me some references now that I have a manual. Granted, it's the wrong one. But in here, there's a lot of stuff that came with it. So my hope is that it's that and then some. So got a brand new grasshopper bumper. grasshopper sides. One tire, but here's the whole back end, you know, and it's in good shape. These shocks might be in better shape than the ones that are here. And again, this is a vintage too, so these are both vintage cars. Wow, that's cool. I dig that. So anyways, we'll get it all. Let's see what else we got going on here. So there's a whole extra set of gearing. They're used whatnots. There's some bells in there. So I'm going to be able to have some spares. Looks like they use bushings instead of bearings. I don't know. There's no bells. They're just anyways. So what else we got in here? Hard to tell from the video. Like they were just throwing a pile, so you knew there's a bunch of stuff. So this is all new to me too. Some of this stuff might not even be for a terrace portrait. I don't know what that is. Maybe you guys know. Who the heck knows? There's a battery in here. And all of the old bushings. I don't know. Probably odds and ends. Anyways. What else do we got? All the dog bones. Yeah, this was run a little bit more. I'll probably keep in these ones. But it's nice because then I have a full set of hardware to go along with. You know, there's dog bones in it too, so these are just spares. There's my wheels or wheel axes. Oh, cool. You know what? You know what, guys? Awesome. Even though it's only one tire, I'll take my worst tire of the originals and swap it out, or just put it along with it. See the dry cracking. It's all the way around. These tires they're spent. I soak these as well to try and make them more flexible, and they are, but they're gonna crack. So we got one tire, and it looks new. Still got the dust on it. So we got one new tire for the Terror Scorcher that we'll be selling, and then this bag of goodies. So my assumption is a lot of this. Oh, it's a whole nother rear end. So I'll have spares. Yeah, this looks like, yeah, a whole nother set of arms. Is that for this? Oh yeah, top there. Okay. Very cool. And one thing it doesn't have is a drive shaft, so I'll probably have to source a couple things to get my runner running in the end. But for the Terror Scorcher that we'll be getting rid of, yeah, this looks like the front end that makes the shocks that join. So these are all the original Thundershot parts, and then there's extra wheel mounts. So there's almost a full set of extras. Looks like they were converting it over. I might keep it converted over because if it's a handling thing, the front end's already done. They did the work for me, so that's not bad. And then it's got a nice feel. That's not bad at all, guys. I think I did pretty good. So this is a short one, a mail call. You'll be seeing the second half of the weekend repairs probably on Sunday. I didn't get done editing it. It is what it is. We're running out of time sometimes, but this will probably be on the bench as well, so you'll see that coming up soon. And then this will be a good runner. I'm going to take those sides off, turn it into more of a grasshopper style, I think. The fact that these are here, I'll leave that bumper on there, but I'm thinking these would get old classic style. That would be cool. Anyways, it had me thinking about it once I was looking at it. So, yeah, not a bad deal. We got lots of good parts. Got lots of bagged parts. Manual, all spares. Pretty much a full kit minus the drive shaft. And then anything I need for this will be from this, and it'll be vintage. So this is my parts car. Pretty excited. And you see how nice those are turning out. They're really doing a good job. Every night I just rub a little bit back in the oil. And it does the job. You see all the separation and all that. That's all the stuff coming off. So, anyways, like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you dig. I had to show you. Pretty cool, man. I'm pretty excited. So we're getting rid of one, but we're getting another. So it should be a win-win. Didn't pay much for it. I think I was the only bidder, to be honest. I got lucky. I take luck over skill any day. It's the God factor, I guess. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see what I see.